Alright guys, I needed to do some aluminum welding, and so I ordered a TIG machine, and this is where I got it from, AHP Welding Systems. It took about a week to arrive by UPS, but if we open it up, I cut the top off. This is what comes inside, so we're doing a kind of an unboxing, okay? So here's the model. I got the 201 XD, okay, very thin on the information, but on the side there is another box that has some things. Let's see what's inside of there. We have, what's in here? Okay, we have a regulator, okay, for gas. Okay, so that's a gas regulator. And I still have to go buy some argon for this thing, so I gotta go to the welding store. And here is your torch. Yep, there's a torch, and it looks like there's a finger switch too that you can mount, and it's that torch with some consumables. Okay. Yep. There's a couple sets of that. What else is in the box? Oh, here. There's a gas. Looks like a gas line. What else is in the box? All right, and here's the ground strap. Okay, with the connector. I got a the 220 to 110 adapter, and I got a looks like a handle for an arc welding. Is there anything else in the box? Let's look inside some more. Yes, and here it is. That's the foot pedal. Okay, so let's get the actual machine out of the box and take a look at that. All right, so hold on a second. Alright, and to get it out, it looks like it's packaged pretty well in this heavy foam. So I'm going to lift the foam off. There we go. And there it is inside the box, okay? So, it's got a handle on it. Let's lift it out. Okay, there it goes. Okay, so let's get it out of it and unwrap it. Okay, so there it is. It doesn't look damaged. There's no crinkles. Other people have complained that they've gotten some things broken, but it looks like it's in very good shape. There was a couple dents in the box, but otherwise the machine itself looks good. Like I said, I got to get some gas. Once I get some gas, and then get some consumables, because I need some tungsten. And then and some rod, and then we're gonna give it a whirl and see how this goes. Okay, I haven't taken in a long time, but I figured this was a good way to learn how, by getting my own machine. And this one seemed to be rated pretty well compared to some of the other ones, and so and super affordable compared to some of the other stuff. So again, we're gonna give it a whirl. Okay, so these were not on back order anymore, because they were all the times I checked, but like I said, they were here and we picked it up. So once I get it in the garage, once I get in the shop and I have it set up, we'll do a follow-up video for that. But otherwise, this is the unboxing of this machine. It seems pretty cool, and we'll see if it works as well as everybody says. Alright, thank you.